Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Shyam Isaiah. I hope you are doing great. So I want to talk to you about three good books that has helped me to outsmart trading. So the first book is Learn to Earn, written by Peter Lynch. So this book, when I was in 2021, when I read the first 2 pages of the preface, the book blown my mind towards the world of finance and stock market. So one of the three things that I've learned from this book is the first thing is start young in trading or in investing. The second thing is save more and invest more. And the third thing is do not forget the two things that I have said you. So the second book is The Risk of Trading, written by Michael Thoma. So this book speaks about risk management and position sizing with a clear cut information and with the normal English, which is easy to understandable by normal reader. If you are struggling with risk management and position sizing, the book contains of 200 pages, which only speaks about risk management and position sizing and about live examples. So the third book is one of my favorite books, which has helped me to modify my trading edge. The book is none other than Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns, written by Thomas N. Bulkowski. So this book only speaks about technical analysis and price action patterns. So this book covers 63 patterns, be it the double bottom or double top or head and shoulder pattern, broadening bottoms, trend lines, channel patterns, and so on. So after reading those patterns, please do backtest it whether the pattern suits you or not. So to outsmart in trading, you just need 2 or 3 patterns, guys. You does not need 10 different trading styles or 10 different patterns to become profitable. So it is one of the great myth that is there in the online that you want 10 different strategies to make money in trading. If you have got any valuable insights in this video, please do subscribe, like, and share. And if you have doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.